Okay, we're looking at problem number 2, factoring to find the length. So computers, digital images are composed of thousands of tiny pixels rendered as squares as shown below. Suppose the area of a pixel is 4x squared plus 2x plus 25. What is the length of one side of the pixel? So if we know that the area is 4x squared plus 2x plus 25 and it's a square, we know that we have a length something like this. Of course, it's a perfect square. When we have a square, we know that both lengths are the same. And so if I know that my area is this, then if I take the square root, or if I find the perfect square, because I should have something like this, then I would find the length of one side. So let's use our knowledge of perfect squares, of polynomials, of trinomials in particularly, not just any polynomial, but a trinomial. And we know that we have a perfect square trinomial of this form. So I'm going to look at my square of my first term, which is 2x squared plus 20x, and the square root of my last term, which is going to be 5 squared. And so that means my a term is equal to 2x, and my b term is equal to 5. I'm going to erase some of this over here. Okay, and I want to check and verify that it works. So I want to see if 2 times my a, which is 2x, times my b, which is 5, equals 20x. So 2 times 2x times 5 equals 20x. It works out. So that means that I have found the solution. So one side would be 2x plus 5, because the whole thing is equal to 2x plus 5 squared. So one side is equal to 2x plus 5. Now let's look at the got it. So it says you're building a square patio. Again, we're talking about squares. And it says the area of the patio is 16m squared minus 72m plus 81. What is the length of one side of the patio? So it's the same scenario. I'm looking for the length of one side. I have the area. And I want to find the square root, basically. So I know my a term here is 4m minus 72m. And my b term is 9. And I want to verify that this works. So I'm going to say 2 times 4m times 9. And I want to see if it equals 272. Yeah, and it does. It checks out. So that means that my area, another way of writing this would be 4m plus 9 squared. And one side would be 4m plus 9. I hope this helps.